Hey, Peas and Peepettes, and welcome to the official Z's channel. My name's Zeej, and we're going to be looking at some storyboards. It's pretty much the blueprint of creating any kind of manga, any kind of series, webtoons, comic books, movies, anime, anything. And I'm so glad that you guys are going to be here to join me on this journey. So sit tight and let's begin. So, like, a storyboard is like a roadmap to your manga, pretty much where the magic begins, where ideas transform, like a Super Saiyan, like Goku back there. It transforms into visual sequences where cameras come to, cameras can be translated into drawing, or drawings can be translated into camera pretty much. The characters, although they could be like stick figures and stuff like that, they can come to life through like rough sketches and pacing and flow of the stories take shape. So what I'm going to do here, we're going to look through a few storyboards from reputable series. We're going to start with AKIRA. All right, so here is a I'm sure that you've seen the movie AKIRA, right? Or, you know, here's the storyboard here. Looks pretty cool. You see the composition, you see the different movement of the scenes. Essentially, really what you can do, you can think of each panel as a single beat in a song. They build upon each other, creating rhythm, tension, and ultimately a compelling narrative. So you can tell in this scene right here that something is going on. There's a scene. I'm sure most of you have seen the movie. Well, I've seen this setting here. A good storyboard ensures that a story is clear, engaging, and visually impactful. So that's good. So here's more to that. So this is basically the storyboard for the anime movie, not the actual like manga, which is very legendary. You can notice the dynamic angles, especially here, like in the motorcycle fight here. You see the anger of the face here. This is pretty compelling stuff here. So each panel is exactly like a movie frame, carefully composed. You know, it's put together to have that crisp movie effect, pretty much. Yeah. The next thing that we're going to do, we're going to look at some Naruto. We're going to look at some Naruto storyboards from the manga, courtesy of Reddit. You can see this is Itachi, and it's Kakashi Sensei. I believe this is the scene where him, Kurenai, and Asuma are all supposed to have their eyes closed, but only Kakashi can have one of his Sharingan eyes open during the fight, and they're all on the water. And then this is the storyboard for the fight between Sasuke and Naruto during the fight during the final valley. There's that. Oh, there's even one with Neji versus Hinata during the tuning exams. Third round, I believe. Yeah, where he beat her up. I don't condone violence, by the way. Oh my god, look at Sasuke's face. Alright, so looking through here, looks like we only have 4. There wasn't any action sequences in that, but I'm sure that there was some action sequences. If I can find them, then I'll post them. I'll link them down below if we can find like some like action sequences. Another thing what we're going to be looking at, so if I really found out that, never mind. So, hang on. Let me do this. So, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you a difference between a storyboard and a somewhat complete manga page. I didn't make this, but I did find it on the internet, so I just wanted to be honest with you guys. I do make manga though, so stay tuned for that. So as you can see here, here is a very clear and very rough storyboard. Analyzing storyboards can help you understand how professional manga make creative decisions. You'll see how they translate their ideas into visuals and how they use paneling to control pacing and how they can create impactful compositions. So with that being said, we're looking at this and then this is what it looks like whenever it's inked. So still kind of rough, but I see where they were going. I guess we're having a conversation. In fact, you can try to guess what they're saying. He says something very, very surprising that leaves him flabbergasted, or he's surprised, or something along the lines. By studying these storyboards, it doesn't even have to be this one. You can find anyone, like whether it be like One Piece, Dragon Ball Z, or anything else like that. You'll gain vast amount of valuable insights that can help elevate your own manga creation skills. It's like peeking into the minds and masters of the mangaka that are, trying to drive this story and its narrative with only just panels. So that's just the secrets of it. So another thing that we're going to look at a couple of other storyboards. That being said, it's going to be a couple of series that you probably already know about. So we're going to look at Attack on Titan. So what we can see here, this is the scene where Historia's father turns into a Titan and he's just dragging himself across the floor or ground. And then I guess it's Wood Studio, so it has to deal with like animation because Wood Studio did the anime partially for the scenes for Attack on Titan, which I really enjoyed in Attack on Titan. I really did. And here is a bunch of Sailor Moon. A bunch of Sailor Moon. A bunch of Sailor Moon. I can't read Japanese. Sailor Mercury's right there. Look at this. Look at the action. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I mean, it's crazy. I really enjoy things like this. Could this be that? Oh, this isn't the episode of that. I actually don't know what episode this is about. If you guys can tell me what episode this was about in the comments below, it would be greatly appreciated. Is it the airport episode? No, it's not the airport episode. Can't be. Anyway, next thing that we're going to look at the storyboard for One Piece. It's the most recent movie that they did about Shanks' daughter. Let's see here. The way that he did it for this one. Oh, it's for staff. In fact, I think I like this way that he did it. So he does the time. Oh. I guess that's whenever we figure out whenever he got his daughter. Oh, I need to stop. Oh man, I'm getting intrigued with like reading this type of thing. Yeah, that's so cool. I never had a chance to look at this before starting the video, so we're doing it together. Oh, Oda's the GOAT. He makes things simple. Super, super simple. Have you guys ever seen that movie? Go ahead and comment down below what you think of it. Do you think Yuta's a good character? Do you think she should have been canon or specifically have her as a movie character? let me know. That's pretty cool. All right. Anyway, so I definitely encourage you to seek out more storyboards of like your favorite manga. We could do another round of this of analyzing it, or I could show you how to draw a storyboard. Let me know in the comments below, like and subscribe, and tell me your favorite manga and anime. We could tackle it together as well and study them carefully. You'll definitely be amazed of what happens behind the scenes. And with me as a creator, as a manga creator, a mangaka in America, I want to show you exactly step by step what I do, my process, and just take you along this journey of what's going to happen. It's really big, and I appreciate you guys. Hey, thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe for more manga tips and inspiration. Next time, happy drawing!